Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I help people navigate through their mental health journey. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to journal for more gratitude and abundance in your life. So the idea of this video came about when the other day I was actually scrolling through Instagram and I was listening to one of my favorite YouTubers' Instagram story. He mentioned something about gratitude, and he mentioned how when it comes to cultivating more gratitude and abundance in your life, it's not something that you do once and then you have it. Gratitude and appreciation is more than just a thing. It is actually a practice. It is something that you commit to and maintain every single day. And this is something that I really resonated with. And this is something that I wanted to share with you guys because earlier in the middle of the pandemic, I actually got myself into the habit of journaling every single day in regards to gratitude. And every single time I did this, every single morning where I finished an entry or walked away finishing an entry, I felt so good. I felt so blessed with everything that I had in my life. And it was always the best way for me to start off my mornings. And I kind of fell off with that habit somewhere along the way. And now I'm currently trying to rebuild that habit, get into the practice of doing that again. And just after doing it for like 5 days a week, I think it's been a week now, I've already started to notice subtle shifts within my mindset and subtle shifts within my mood throughout the day. Earlier before this, just before I was filming this video, I was actually doing research on some of the conducted studies that actually looks into how committing to a daily gratitude journaling practice can actually improve your overall mental health and well-being. From what I remember, the more that you consistently practice gratitude, the more it improves the function of your hypothalamus, which is the part of your brain that regulates stress. And it can also improve the quality of your sleep as well, which is amazing because when we think about improving our overall mental health and well-being, I feel like we tend to look beyond the simple things that we can engage in every single day to feel better, to boost our mood. When it comes to gratitude journaling, there's so many ways that you can do it. You can simply just list out 10 things that you are grateful for. And for me personally, it does help, but I found that really taking the time to ground myself and really dig deep on some of the things that I'm grateful for and be specific about it, I found that it increases more of the physical sensations and feelings of gratitude and abundance. So there's 3 questions that I make sure that I answer in depth with specificity. Did I say that right? That I do every single day. And the questions are this: what are you grateful for today? Why? And was there a time where you didn't have what you have now? Just really taking the time to answer these simple questions every single day can really go a long way. The more specific and the deeper you go into the meaningful circumstances in your life, the more positive feelings that you feel. If you guys would like, I can share with you some of the things that I wrote today so you can kind of get an insight on how I structure my entries. So just give me 1 second. So in today's entry, what are you grateful for today? I wrote, I am thankful for the online spiritual community I have access to. And why? The reason being is because I feel like anytime you try to embark on an endeavor that not many people have walked, it can be a challenging and lonely journey if you don't have a positive support group to help you move further along. When I first started getting into spirituality, a big part of me felt alone and isolated because nobody around me was able to relate to the things I was experiencing. I longed for a sense of connection, and I got that from joining the Full-Time Purpose Accelerator program. From there, I was able to meet other spiritual entrepreneurs who were like-minded. Their support is what keeps me pushing and moving forward, and I'd probably quit by now if I didn't have them. And then the next question is, was there a time where you deeply desired what you have in your life now? And I answered yes. Going through this journey alone is probably one of the most difficult things in life to achieve. When you have a community who just gets you and has struggled with the same thing, there's a sense of peace in that. Just knowing that you have people who can relate to your struggles and knows exactly what you're going through goes a very long way. You have people who can keep you pushing and moving forward, and you have people who you can learn from. And for that, I am incredibly thankful for this. And this is something that I really struggled with, and just having the time or taking the time to really think about having this, especially now since I am in the process of being coached, it's really helped me because, like I said, I would have quit if I didn't have this, and this is something that I didn't realize that I need until I seeked it and I'm so grateful for it. So I hope that helps, and I hope this gives you an idea of how you can structure or elaborate on your entries when you're answering these questions. And like I said, this is something that takes a while to practice and get into the habit of doing. You might feel a sense of appreciation after one entry. The more that you do it, the more you will feel gratitude and abundance in your life. If you guys are interested in trying this out for yourself, I challenge you to try it out for the next 5 days and see what happens. I actually have a link to the prompt down in the description box for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. Download the PDF file, fill it out on the sheet of paper, and do it for the next 5 days and see what happens. Come back, leave down in the description box or in the comments below how your experience went. So that is it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. With all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, much love, and many blessings to you.